We got one. We get the money. We get the money. We get the moolah. We get the moolah. We get the peso. We get the peso. We get the netto. We get the netto. We get the skrilla. We get the skrilla. We hit the lotto. We hit the lotto. We get the bread.
This is basically a vlog. I just wanted to tell y'all that I will be going to fucking I'll be going to Mardi Gras in Mobile. I know. So if y'all gonna be in Mobile, definitely Friday. I'm going Friday, so just keep that in mind. Today is Tuesday. I might go today. Well, I might go later on tonight. I just really need to see, because I'm supposed to be making a wig, but I just wanted you guys, just wanted to let y'all in on what I had planned. And I do plan on bringing my camera to Mardi Gras so y'all can come along and we all could just turn up, okay? But yeah, I'm finna take my vitamins. I'm gonna eat me some breakfast. Today is a gym day, okay? And I'm going to be working out at home because it is kind of rainy outside. But yeah, I'm gonna be working at home. I'm gonna work out at home today. Y'all, if y'all not subscribed to my YouTube channel, just make sure to hit the subscribe button, okay?
Mesmerizing music for the street.
Okay, but anyways, this is what I'm eating. Yeah, sweet potato with some butter and some sugar. So this is for breakfast hoes. Come to you guys and show y'all how I got these potatoes sitting in this bag. They kind of gave me an idea of having a bowl or like a fruit bowl. Like a fruit bowl. And just having my potatoes in it because I eat potatoes on a regular. So it'll be more accessible to me. And that's another thing that we have to discuss. Like, make your diet convenient for you. Like if you're on a run, if you're on the go, then make sure you have something sitting out that you can grab and go. Oh, shit, look, so fucking good. Oh my god, oh my goodness. So we got some Brussels sprouts, we got some red skin potatoes, we got some onion up in there, we got some bell pepper, we got some ginger, we got some the mushrooms in there, however you pronounce those. But yes, I'm finna fuck that up. I put it on top of this rice right here. This is some wild rice. This is some brown and wild rice mixed together, okay? And I'm finna fuck it up. And I'm gonna let y'all later.